Today I show you how to easily make selections for words or sentences on your iPad. You can do this in any app that accepts text, and here, for example, I will type something. I will use voice typing on the Notes app on the iPad just to have some text here to select for you to see. Okay, so I think this is probably enough now. Okay, this is the text I want to select. I could double tap one word to select it, or double tap another word to select it. But if I change my mind, if I want to change the selection, I use two fingers to change the selection. Like this, I can slide, I can select, for example, from here. Okay, so I could select the whole word here. This doesn't really work well if you want to select the beginning and the end. So, for example, I select this text, and it will go to the beginning, but then if I want to select the right side, it doesn't work well. So what you can do is move the selection left or right if you want to select something to the right of this text, but it keeps the anchor point to the place where you were selecting first time, so it might not be that great. So for example, if I want to select this whole sentence here, I could copy this and go here and paste, or another trick I could do like this, 3-finger zoom out. I can paste this text anywhere in another app if I wanted to. I could select the word again, so double tap and move left or right to change the selection. This is not very precise, so it's a good option if you have some space at the beginning that maybe you want to include another word. So for example, here I select on this side of the text, and if I want to select the other side, I will try to move to the right side of this selection, kind of something like this. So move to depending where you start with the movement, it will change the selection. So something like this. So you can make the selection, then copy, and I could paste it. So yeah. So I could select this sentence. If you go up, it will select whole paragraph. So if you want to select all the text, you can simply do a select all. That's the easiest thing if you want to do the whole text. But if you don't want to have all the text, you can remove, for example, the last paragraph. I go up and down with 2 fingers like this. Thanks for watching.